So today, I'm just going to quickly show you how to strip the background out of any picture for free. We'll use this super simple online tool called RemoveDG. Alright, first thing, pop open your web browser and type RemoveDG right into the address bar. When the website loads up, you'll see a big button that says Upload Image. Go ahead and click that. Then pick the photo you want to work on from your computer or phone. I'm using a picture of my brand avatar here, having a bit of a rough hairstyle day. Once you upload your image, the site gets to work right away. It only takes a few seconds, and boom, your background is gone. You'll see a preview of your photo with the background erased. Check it out. It handles even tricky bits like hair really well, almost like fancy editing software. If you're happy with how it looks, just hit the download button to save your new image with a transparent background straight to your device. If you spot a few little areas that need cleaning up, no worries. There's an edit option where you can manually erase or restore bits before you download. You can also play around with adding new backgrounds, like different photos or solid colors, and even tweak things with effects like blur or shadow. This tool works best when your main subject is nice and clear, but honestly, it's pretty accurate even if you're just starting out. No need to sign up for anything or install software, and the whole thing usually takes under a minute. The only catch with the free version is that it gives you a lower resolution image, like 500 by 500 pixel. But if you guys want, I can totally make a separate video showing how to upscale that image resolution online for free too. Just let me know down in the comments if that's helpful. And there you go. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate a like. Subscribing to the channel helps a ton too. Drop a comment saying liked if you feel like it, and I'll make sure to thank you personally.